Le ngxoxo kuhloswe ngayo ukulekelela abesifazane abasemkhakheni yokusebenza ehlukene, ikakhulukazi leyo mkhakha okubonakala sengathi basabukelwa phansi kuyo.
We should not forget where we come from today. At its core, our movement for gender equality seeks to uproot entrenched patriarchal structures that have historically denied women equal participation in economic, political, social, and scientific spheres of life.
Ungqongqoshe uChikunga unxusa abantu besilisa abasezikhundleni ukuba bengasebenzisi amandla abo ukuhlukumeza abantu besifazane.
Some of the people in our employ, who some are wearing suits and ties, they actually will want to lie to them that if they want permanent jobs, they must sleep with them.
Ungqongqoshe uChikunga uthi sekusungulwe ikomiti elizobhekana nokulwa kokuhlukunyezwa kwabantu besifazane eNingizimu Afrika.
South Africa, we have got to elevate this campaign, and that is why we are going to appoint this National Council on Gender-Based Violence and Femicide. We will also invite women to work with us as we are fighting this scourge.
Abantu besifazane bayanxuswa ukuthi ngalenyanga yabo eqala namhlanje bezinakekele futhi bezibeke phambili.